Little tiny bit of a plug. On November 5th, it is a Sunday, I'm going to be teaching a Dreamwork class. How to interpret your own dreams, how to help people interpret their own dreams. And I'm offering it at a ridiculous price because that's what guides said to do. Normally my classes start at around $97. Sometimes I'll offer them at pre-order for like $47 or $57. 29 bucks we're doing this for if you sign on before November 4th. So if you've always wanted to learn how to interpret your own dreams like fast when you wake up in the morning so that it doesn't linger and it doesn't wreck your whole day or you don't stay like all day sort of like what the heck did that mean and it's messed up my day. Get on board with this. I'm going to walk you through how to interpret your own dreams. This is a thing that usually when I do it, I feel like I've got it on my menu for about $35, maybe $45 that I do this for people. It's a half hour, interpret their dreams with them for them. Anyway, that's happening on November 5th, that class. So you can go to, at some point, schoolofwitchery.ca and check out that class there and get in on the pre-sale price of 29 bucks. Let's go.